Bia Kamal Kanwar online TV channel kajan gwasme banu rachme bana jaling raja bana ling kim bana kwene tuogare wicha ka South Sudan shala duno take university graduate mishana ka police ni ajandanan bukon ling gwasme kan kono woni amare ler kana me mi jiram jidit Kanwar online TV channel nakajen o jender subscribe kede notification bell der twine ko de ler tete de kan chamala shub kuje gwaz dana pay kala rek re ler kana me bana jelin kenyam ka tung nas ka kore ban je nyoko liang ka tung english ka do bran en charge no kaja nyoga ne te ko ken goye re ler kana me bana lade chala ro ne Ray wika rumbek cha police ne dangrao cha ka yen ko shike wut me pai tok dol gora ka university chikana nak ude me e wut jane ke wut dinka chala do ken police ni na ken rama mo ka wer gwas ndala na tratan chikmen la nawo ka hoteli ke chinawo monka dong dire general gwas mo de police ni de ke chujek de ken shunak kan police taton ka police jane ba ka garamo gar wut jane ba chala do no ne Chinedi wala de no polini akan nagrama mo dol na pai to university chaga chu yen kan polini dangro no bagi investigate ban man chala chaga gwanya no akan etin ko na dol dul gorgan mo men pai to ki men pai barar university chala do chu polini kai chu kap ano wane to antama ka luag yena wa ka wer gwa de dane cha garma cha nek tin kan police ni wa chi kan poiran chi kan nangre dul wal chikano ogunang gwadana chin lanne dili wala katen misharano te mone to chikano jigano rama me charge berloid ke charge barloid ler chijen charge confirm and then chwakulo nyoko barloid bare berloid wa cheriem to yulo loid jandana naga cha polin to cha chu yen tama lo tigre tijen ka do je ka dana chikana lat karo ya dana chalat to ogre me to ko rumbek ban je nyoko milin kone. Two police personnel have been arrested in connection with the killing of Rumbek University graduate during a night patrol in Rumbek town, Lake State on Thursday. Lake State Acting Police Commissioner Enoch Majok Machar said that on Friday that the two police forces are suspected of involvement in the death of the university graduate in Rumbek town. A graduate was killed at night and people accused the police personnel, he said. This individual accused of the killing are in custody at the Akwach police station because the incident occurred in the Akwach residential area, he added. Rumbek Hospital Medical Director Dr. Teran Madid Teran confirmed the incident, stating that a body with a gunshot wound was brought to the hospital. He explained that a group of police officers on night patrol brought the body to the casualty department. Upon examination, the patient was already dead. He had sustained a gunshot wound to the chest. Most likely, the cause of the death was excessive bleeding due to severe injuries caused by the gunshot, he said. Daniel Latkon, coordinator of the Lake State Community Empowerment for Progress organization, condemned the killing. This is a very unfortunate situation, and we appreciate the state government for apprehending the suspect responsible for the killing, he said. He added that the reason for people moving around at night is that they trust the security forces to protect their life and property, and not for the police to harm them or to kill them.